Morning, Bob. What are you working on today?
Putting some cages together, rabbit cages.
Oh, yeah?
With Jaxon's help.
These are a little different from the last cages we built.
Yeah, these are a little more heavy duty wire, and they already got the doors and stuff built with them. It's just when you get them out of the box, some of the wires are bent or come loose, so you just gotta alter and fix everything. So I put a little bitty piece of wire, tie wire, on the corners and bend them down so nothing gets hurt, so it holds them together, because those clips don't hold them that good. That way we ain't got to worry about them.
The other cages we made with the hardware cloth are just not heavy duty enough for the size rabbits we have.
No. So we went to these. It's a little more investment, but it's worth it. Okay, Jackson, let's spin this cage around so we can fix that corner.
Yeah.
Can you lift that side up? No, that little. Yeah, there you go. Spin this around to work on this corner. Okay. As you see, this one wasn't bent all the way together, so we've got to try to hook it back together. Wait a minute. Close them so they don't come apart. All of them are a little warped or bent, and wires bent, but everything's together. The cage is basically, it just snaps together, but sometimes you gotta adjust. Whoop. It's like these clips ain't really lining up that good, so I take the needle nose, and bend them down just a little to fit in between the wires. Like that. Then they fit.
Here we have the wire cut. That cuts wire.
Gotta get some more wire.
Okay, guys. We are in the process of upgrading all of our rabbits. We bought some shelves to set the cages on, and we already have several cages sitting here in place.
I'm putting the tray framework on these. I mean, you can use it for two different things. You can use it to lay on the shelves and put your poop tray underneath, or you've got little adapters, you can just stack cages on top of each other. However you want to use it.
Which method of cage building do you prefer, Bobby?
This one over all of them. It's a lot easier. A lot easier. And faster.
And by the time you take everything into consideration, is it cost effective to do it this way?
Actually, it's the same, if not cheaper, to do it this way than it is to build your cages. I mean, you're going to have to build some for run-out cages for the babies and stuff, so they got more room. But when you house individual rabbits, this is cost-effective. It's the same, or pretty close, but it's a whole lot easier because you got every rabbit individual, and you don't have to build the cages. You just snap them together and put on your framework for the poop pants.
And you've got an hour or so to do 3 cages rather than 3 or 4 days to do 3 cages.
Right.
push it in a little bit more.
Bottom.
When we get this rabbit cage, you think you're gonna lock me in here?
No, I'm not going to lock you in the cage.
No, for a little bit.
No.
Just a teeny. Or can Mom can film me.
Why do you want Mom to film you in a rabbit cage?
I'm just really just you're making the film. Now we're making
Good job. Now I got to tighten them up.
I'm the wiring that. I'm the wireman. So I need those wires to cut off wire. What are these wearable ones for?
Jackson, do you know what you've got right there?
No.
That is what you use to put the rabbit clips on the rabbit cages. That's not for the regular wire. Jackson, does that look similar to the one you just had?
Yes.
So guess what that is?
Same thing.
Same thing.
Daddy, I need those wire shears.
You do.
Give me.
Go back a little bit. Look, right here is where it cuts. Not up here, up here.
Here.
Right here. Now squeeze them together. Squeeze hard. You almost got it.
You do it, Daddy.
You gotta bend it in half, in the middle.
I'm using wrench. I'm gonna gut some wire with a wrench. If it will work. Hopefully this.
Hang on, let me pull out some more. Count how many I got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You got 12, Dad.
What do you have to tie down now?
The lid or the roof or whatever you want to call it.
Cage top.
Mm-hmm.
Here's your one piece of wire.
Then that will be one more cage complete.
Here's your wire.
Now we're ready to go find more rabbits.
8 piece wire and 9 piece wire.
No?
Whatever you want there.